Welcome to the Town of Petawawa Day Smart Recreation Program registration tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to register for a program. First of all, you will find on a computer this address by going to Town of Petawawa's website at petawawa.ca. If you're using a cell phone or a tablet, you will have to download the app to make this process smoother. So for those of you who are using Android, you will look for Member Day Smart Recreation in the Google Play Store. And those of you who are using an Apple product, you can go to your App Store and you're looking for Day Smart Recreation. Put in your information. You will also need to put in an emergency contact, even though it does not have an asterisk beside it. And then you will choose your location as the Town of Petawawa. For those of you downloading the app, your company code is Petawawa. And then you will put down your communication preferences. We would highly suggest that you click these two at least so that we can keep in touch with you and let you know what else we're offering. You can also be adding a child and inviting a partner to be part of your profile. Make sure you go into your email and that you find the email from the corporation of the Town of Petawawa and confirm your email address. And now that we are into the system, we can register for a program. So on your dashboard, you will be able to see the things that you're signed up for, which would be my enrollments. You can see your profile, including anybody that you've added to your accounts, including children. And to register for a program or camp, you will go and use the register button. Now under register, it's best to not use the filters and to just use this section. So for events, which may be things like cabin fever or civic center days, that's where you would go. If you're looking for programs, including summer camp, you would find the section under here. So when summer camp comes around, there'll be a whole section on it. And then you'll find the section that you're looking for. So for anybody looking for active aging program for the 50 plus, you would go to view more, where you will see what we're offering. And if there's something that you would like to register for, like our upcoming Lunch and Learn, you can hit register. And then it walks you through what you need to do. So again, if you're registering someone else, this is where you would find them. Do you have any allergies? You would put in the comments. And you can click here to see our participant waiver and payment policy. And once you've read that, you can do your initials. You can add another thing to your registration before you go to checkout or continue straight to checkout. Now this program is free, however, you would check out and the next steps will be asking you for your credit card information if it was a paid program. For summer camps, you will go into summer camp view, pick the person you are registering. So if you have children on your profile, it will show them. And then you can just find the section that you would like, kinder camp, junior camp, senior camp. If you're looking for that age category, view. Then you can choose the weeks that you'd like, register. Now the difference with summer camp is that there is a few different questions that you'll be asked in this section. Make sure that you have the right person. And the other difference is that there is an option to add before or after care. And again, our payment policy and waiver is here. Initial, confirm registration. If you'd like to add another week, summer camp view, register for the next week, go through the questions again, add your before care if you need, or after. And once you have all of your camps in your cart, continue to check out, or you can come up here to the cart. Now this is for demo purposes. So at this point, you would be entering your credit card information. You can see what you are registered for by going to dashboard, and you will see enrollments here. If there is an invoice that needs to be paid, this is where you will see that, and you can make your payment through this button here. There may be stuff in this section that you can see, including your past invoices. Thank you for joining us today.